It is question number 27. Find the image of the point 0, 2, 3 about the line x plus 3 by 5 equal y minus 1 by 2 equal z plus 4 by 3. Suppose the given line is this: x plus 3 by 5 equal y minus 1 by 2 equal z plus 4 by 3, and the point is given by this 0, 2, 3, and we have to find the image of point P. Let the image of point P in this line is P dash, which is x2, y2, z2, and it is foot of perpendicular. Means since P dash is the image of P, then M is the midpoint of line BC, and it is PM. Firstly, we have to find a point on BC and let it is the coordinate of point M. Then any point on line BC, that is x plus 3 by 5 equal y minus 1 by 2 equal z plus 4 by 3, is in the form 5 lambda minus 3, 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda minus 4. It is any point lie on the line BC. Let coordinate of point M is 5 lambda minus 3, since it lies on BC, 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda minus 4 for some values of lambda. Then we have coordinate of point M. Now find the direction ratio of PM. Direction ratio of PM is given by direction ratio of the line joining 2 points x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2. First point is 0, 2, 3, and the second point is coordinate of M, 5 lambda minus 3, which is x2, y2, z2. Then direction ratio of PM are x2 minus x1, means 5 lambda minus 3 minus x1, 5 lambda minus 3 minus 0, y2 minus y1 means 2 lambda plus 1 minus 2, and z2 minus z1 means 3 lambda minus 4 minus 3. Then direction ratio of PM are 5 lambda minus 3, 2 lambda minus 1, 3 lambda minus 7. It is direction ratio of PM. Since PM is perpendicular to BC, then the product of direction ratio of BC and direction ratio of PM is equal to 0. Since PM is perpendicular to BC, then 5 into 5 lambda minus 3 plus 2 into 2 lambda minus 1 plus 3 into 3 lambda minus 7 is equal to 0. 25 lambda minus 15, 4 lambda minus 2 plus 9 lambda minus 21 equal to 0. Then 38 lambda, 38, then lambda equal 1. Then coordinate of point M, which is 5 lambda minus 3, comma 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda minus 4. Put the value of lambda is equal 1. Then coordinate of point M is 5 into 1 minus 3, comma 2 into 1 plus 1, comma 3 into 1 minus 4, that is 2, comma 3, comma minus 1. Since the image of point P is P dash x2 y2 z2, then M is the midpoint of PP dash. Let P is P dash, which is x2 comma y2 comma z2, then M is the midpoint of PP dash. Well, x1 plus x2 by 2, y equal y1 plus y2 by 2, and z equal z1 plus z2 by 2, where x, y, z are the midpoint of the line joining point x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2. Suppose the value of x, the coordinate of x, y, z is the coordinate of M, the coordinate of x1, y1, z1 is the coordinate of P, and the coordinate of x2, y2, z2, which is M. Then the value of M is given by 2, 3 minus 1, means we put 2 equal x1, value of x1 is 0 plus x2 by 2, which gives x2 equal 4. We have this formula. Okay. Now coordinate of y in M is 3 equal coordinate of y in point P is 2 plus y2 by 2, then y2 equal 4, and point Z is minus 1, Z1 is 3 plus Z2 equal 2, then Z2 equal minus 6. Sorry, it is minus 5. Then image of point P is 4, 4, minus 1, which is answer.